Oh, what is this, Bibe?
Shapes!
Yes! Oh, gusto ko. Gayahin mo yan, gamit ito. Ano itong mga to?
Snakes!
Yes! Gayahin mo to, Anong shape to?
Square. Triangle. Diamond.
Yes?
Rectangle.
Okay. Oh, gawa ka ng... Ano yung unang shape?
Square.
Oh, gawa ka nga ng square. Dali.
Yellow.
Oh, yellow.
This one yellow.
Okay. Gawa ka nga ng square.
Yes.
Very good.
Blue.
Tingnan mo yung color,
Oh,
I-check ni Mami.
check.
Okay. Then,
Green.
saan yung green?
Oh, there it is.
Hangin. Green. And then,
Pink.
very good.
Then,
Oh, gawin mong square, gawin mo, ayusin mo. Kasi naihangin siya. Yan! Yay! Oh, next tayo. Square na ba yan? Kinga ko nga. Yellow, blue. Very good. Oh, next is, anong next?
here we go.
Oh, anong next?
And triangle.
Oh, go. Gawa ka ng triangle daw.
Pink. This one.
Oh, tama ba? More?
Blue. Green.
Oh, make it triangle. Ayusin mo, parang yung triangle din. Nahangin. Oh,
They're hard.
hard ba? Nahangin ba? Can I see? Very good! Okay na yan na. Oh, next is...
Diamond!
Yes! Oh, go. Get ka na ng stick.
Blue and green and pink and yellow.
Oh, go
That's
nga.
right.
Green.
Oh,
Then,
then blue,
very good.
then pink. Here's pink.
Then,
Then yellow.
Oh, gawin mo na siyang diamond.
Oh,
Yay! Very good! Diamond na ba yan? Diamond na tabingi? Oh, next color is, next na shape is?
very short.
Why? Next na shape is? After the diamond.
Rectangle.
Yes. Oh. Get ka ng color.
Oh, pink, yellow, green, blue, green, blue.
Very good. Oh.
Pink.
Pink.
And give me yellow.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yellow. And give me green.
Green.
Yes.
Yes.
No. You're showing. Yellow.
Anuhin ko yung yung electric fan. Oh, next is?
Blue. Oh. This is blue. This is real blue.
Then?
Then green. It's two green and red. Oh.
Then?
Mommy, it's two green and blue.
Very good.
Oh, that's right. Mommy, that's right.
Oh, ayusin mo na siya para rectangle. Tabingin rectangle ulit. Very good. Ayusin mo kasi. Ay, sige na, ayusin mo like this, oh. Oh, ayusin mo siya. Oh, para magmukhang na hangin. What happened? Eh,
Oh.
Ang ikot kasi ng kamay mo eh. Yung tabingi na rectangle. Oh. Mm.
Thanks.
Uh,
Thanks.
much better. Very good. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.